Add a new dimension to the world around you. Listen, learn, and find out why.
We love Hakka.
多学一种语言，多开一扇视野。现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hi everyone, it's time for another Hakka lesson right here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Alice Pong。
你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And right now it is time for our phrase of the month.
好，聽好哦。假模濃濃講，
假模濃濃講，
空空孔，
空空孔，
假模濃濃婆，
假模濃濃婆，
空空模。
空空模跟空空孔 You sound like you're rapping, 好像在饶舌哦。check it. 假模濃濃講，
空空孔，假模濃濃婆，空空模。
我們要再配合一下，這樣子不能製造唱片的。But here's Alice to tell us what this sentence means.
一出屋下假使啊，模兩個濃濃講。
所以假模濃濃講，假模是
假模，
假模
屋下度係講模一個濃濃講，就會空空變空啊。
哦，假模是家裡是不是？哦，家裡 OK， 公是。
公是指男生啊，
哦，公
啊，
那濃濃是什麼呢？
濃就是有一點像嘮嘮叨叨
哦，是哦 ，OK， 我說奇怪，叫濃什麼東西？你濃我濃，跑出來了，真的嗎？
沒不哈度，假是某一個濃婆，
濃婆，
婆就是女生咩？
公婆，
就話空會模啊。
空
模就是沒有
沒有東西，
其實就像公婆一樣嘛。
哦，了解了。Okay. So in English, there's actually sort of a saying, because when you're older, you're wiser. Okay, and there's also a saying, wise as an owl, good as gold. That's what this is all about. It's just saying that when you're encountered by, the elderly or anyone, and they nag at you a lot, and they tell you a lot of things, and they tell you to do this and do that. And when I was little, they always say, listen to your mom, even though she's very annoying, but she really means good. And that's what the essence of this line is all about. 在中文里面其实也有另外一个，就是一种说法，就是家有一老，如有一宝嘛。
没错，
对不对？
有啊。
对，我们再听一次。
假模濃濃講，
假模濃濃講，
空空孔，
空空孔，
假模濃濃婆，
假模濃濃婆，
空空模，
空空模。我為了要唱歌，空空模這樣子。Okay, so there you have it. That's our phrase of the month right here on our Hakka lesson on ICRT.
什麼大家？
俺只say張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會獨家贊助。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.